today we're going to do a little bit of theory, which is, been waiting to do this for a while, but I thought I'd get you playing first. But theory, we're going to have a look at some scales, and notably the chromatic scale and the blues scale, and we're going to see how chords are made up and the formula for making a chord. We're going to look at triads initially because they're the easiest. I'll give you a scale for C, which if you know the chord of C, don't play that top string. So we'll do a scale. Okay, so there's a scale, do, re, mi, yeah? So both of those are C's, but they're one octave apart, okay? Octave meaning 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? So, a triad is made up of the first, the third, and the fifth. So if we start here, that's the first, that's the third, first, one, two, three, first, 3, 4, oh, sorry, 1, 2, 3, so I need those two, and I need the fifth, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it's that open string, and there's your triad. And we bang in the root note C just because we can, and it's easy to get to. So we need actually to know the notes that make up a C chord. So even though we've got the chromatic, and we can find those notes up and down the fretboard, we need to know the names of those notes and find them up and down here so we can put them together. Okay? So the first root note is a C. That's an E. So we know we got a C and an E. Yeah, you might want to write this down so you can look at it for the future. So we got a C and we got an E. That's a G. Yeah, G, open string G. So for this triad, all we really need is a C, an E, and a G. Bum, bum, bum. C, E, and a G. Stop there. So, what you'll need to do is go up and down this fretboard and figure out what all the notes are. Now here is a diagram of the full fretboard, okay? And you can figure out where you got to put your fingers. You won't be right, not the first go, but see if you can figure out where you can play C's, up and down the fretboard. Okay, you need a C and A and a G. Now, that's a chromatic scale. The other scale, another scale that we're going to look at is the blues scale, because it's very important that you get that in your fingers. Because most, I would say a lot of rock music comes from the blues scale. And another kind of scale as well, but we're only looking at chromatic and blues for this moment. I don't want to confuse you with too much stuff. Okay? So let's have a look at the blues style, but we'll start in A, because it's easier at the fretboard. So it's an A. Okay, blues scale. But just get it in your fingers. That is a blues scale. So I want you to concentrate on the blues scale and the chromatic scale. Okay? And the 1, 3, 5 triads. Okay? So you've got to find the chromatic scale. If you want major chords, that is, major chords. We're not looking at minors or diminished or anything silly like that for the minute. We're just learning. So we're looking at major chord triads. 1, 3, and 5. Okay, see you next time.